Welcome. We are doing 12 rounds or 24 breaths of anuloma ujjayi together. We'll do the first 3 rounds or the first 6 breaths with me directing, and then we'll be in silence for the rest of them. You can count on your hand. That's how I'm going to keep my count for us. You can count on your hand, and you can see my video on how to do that on my channel. All right, so you're going to take your hand and you're going to fold your first 2 fingers forward, and your thumb is going to come to one nostril and your ring finger is going to come to your other nostril. You're going to tuck your chin a little bit and let your arm rest on your torso so that you're basically relaxed here and comfortable. And we'll take just a cleansing couple breaths to start. So nice, soft, relaxed, focused breaths. Notice how your breath is today. Notice if it feels constricted or tight, or like you're not getting enough air. Maybe it feels easy and relaxed. You're noticing without judgment. And then we'll begin. Inhale through both nostrils. You're going to do an ujjayi breath. So that's a constriction of the throat, which makes a whispering sound on the inhale. And then on your exhale, you're going to close your right nostril completely and halfway close your left nostril. So you're exhaling through a halfway closed left nostril. And then release your fingers. Inhale both nostrils, ujjayi breath. Exhale, close off your left nostril, halfway close your right nostril. So you're exhaling through a halfway closed right nostril. Inhale both, ujjayi breath, constriction of the throat as you inhale. Now when you close your right nostril and halfway close your left nostril for this exhale, you're releasing the close at your throat. So your throat is open and relaxed. Inhale both nostrils, ujjayi breath. Exhale, close off your left nostril, halfway close your right one. Exhaling through a halfway closed right nostril. Inhale both, ujjayi breath. This is the last round with me cueing. Exhale, close right, halfway close left. Inhale both, ujjayi breath. Exhale, close left, halfway close right. We'll do 9 more rounds in silent. Follow along with me. And then you're going to take a couple normal breaths. You don't have to open your eyes yet. In fact, I recommend keeping them closed. Let your focus be relaxed here. If you are used to doing ujjayi, that constriction of the throat, then you can keep that going. Otherwise, just nice, easy, relaxed breaths. This is a more advanced pranayama practice, so good job getting through this video with me. And this takes practice. So keep showing up, keep doing this over and over. Repetition is part of this practice. It's what makes this work. And thank you so much for joining me.